At nVent, we connect and protect electrical systems, making them more efficient, more resilient, and safer. Our solutions are helping build a more sustainable and electrified world by improving energy efficiency, providing end-user safety, reducing installation time, and protecting mission-critical systems. Across all our key verticals, we are committed to developing innovative and sustainable solutions. By 2030, 90% of our new product funnel will have a positive ESG impact. We will continue to grow by developing new products that meet customers' ever-changing needs. We offer a broad portfolio of industry-leading solutions. Our enclosure solutions from nVent Hoffman and nVent Schroff come in all sizes and materials and protect electrical equipment, electronics, and data in some of the world's harshest environments, ensuring resiliency in critical systems. Our cutting-edge precision liquid cooling technologies help our data center customers scale up and operate more sustainably. With standard and customized liquid and hybrid solutions, we solve urgent cooling challenges for our customers that add efficiency and future-proof their operations. Our electrical connection solutions, like the nVent Aeroflex Flexibar Advanced, facilitate efficient designs that provide more power in smaller spaces and reduce total installed cost. From energy storage to renewables to e-mobility, our solutions deliver safe, sustainable, and efficient electrical connections. For decades, contractors, electricians, and engineers have relied on nVent Caddy for safe, fast, and easy-to-install solutions to solve common worksite challenges. nVent Caddy prefab solutions offer a room-in-box solution for significant reduction in scrap and rework costs for installers, setting the standard for electrical prefabrication. And we're celebrating the 50th anniversary of our self-regulating heating technology with nVent RayChem, where we patented and produced the world's first commercially successful electric self-regulating heat tracing cable. Now, more than 1.8 billion feet of heating cable has been installed in more than 100 countries. As we innovate for our customers, we remain committed to winning the right way. Since the beginning, ESG has been core to our strategy, and we have been recognized for our efforts. Through our robust ESG program, we are committed to protecting natural resources and providing value to our customers and our communities. As the world continues to invest in new technologies and infrastructure, we are well positioned to provide critical solutions for our customers' ever-changing needs. We help connect and protect the future of a more sustainable and electrified world.
nVent. We connect and protect.